Meaning of inkling.
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 Inkling. The word inkling refers to a slight understanding or a vague idea about something. It is often used to describe a feeling of intuition or a sense of suspicion about a particular situation. This term can be used in various contexts, such as in literature, business, or everyday conversations. People might use this word to suggest that they have a hunch or a small hint about something but not enough information to make a conclusion. Overall, inkling refers to an incomplete or imperfect knowledge that can guide further investigation or exploration.